Ayan, next na tayo. Ayan. So, here is the sample problem number 5 na tayo. Sample problem number 6 na pala. So, sample problem number 6 from CE Board, May 2015. So, sabi dito, what height of mercury column will cause pressure at 600 kPa? So, pressure, ano ulit yung formula ng pressure natin? So, P, yan ko lang tayo ng pen. So, yung pressure natin is P is equal to gamma H. So, pinapahanap is ito, height daw ng mercury. So, pressure head. Yan, pressure head ulit yan. Pressure head or height of mercury. Ayan. And then, given tayo ng pressure na 600 kPa. So, pinapahanap sa atin yung height. Ito. So, mercury, so yung unit weight, di ba, from the formula na specific gravity or SG is equal to gamma ng mercury, ito gamma over gamma ng water, yan H2O, gamma ng unit weight ng mercury divided by unit weight ng water. So dito, kukunin natin, ayan, so P, so salpak natin 600 is equal to ito, SG pala ito. Ano yung SG ng mercury? Specific gravity ng SG. Diba? 13.6. And then, i-times natin. Ayan, i-times natin. Times natin doon. So, ano yung unit weight ng water? So, diba ang unit weight ng water in terms of kilonewton is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter is equal to, ayan, so, unit weight ng, so, mercury. Yan. So, mercury yung yung liquid natin. So, yan. In terms of mercury. So, salpak natin. So, 600. Ayan. So, 600 kPa. So, sulat natin muna yung ano natin. So, kPa is equal to ito, yung unit weight ng mercury which is yan 13.6 times 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter times the height. So itong 13.6 yan, gamma or the unit weight ng Hg. Yan. So ito, kPa. So, kPa, di ba, pwede natin siyang, di ba, 600. Kasi yung kPa ay equal lang siya sa kilonewton per meter squared. So, equal siya sa 13.6 times 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter times the H. So, ilabas lang natin. So, H is equal to 600 kilonewton per cubic meter divided by 13.6 times 9.81 meter squared to. So, meter squared, ito kilonewton per cubic meter. So, yan. So, magka-cancel yan, magka-cancel. So, may matitira dyan na isang meter. Diba? Parang ganito yan. Meter cube, kilonewton. Tapos, mag-times ka ulit dito ng meter cube. diba? Times kilonewton. So, matatanggal yung newton dito, and then cancel yung meter squared, cubic meter yan, so may matitira na isang meter. So, our answer now, here is H, or the pressure head ng mercury at 600 kPa would be 600 divided by 13.6 times 9.81. So the answer would be 4.497 meter. So yan. So that would be our answer for sample problem number 6. 4.497 meter. Ayan.